Hello friends, this is Ved Prakash Singh from IITC. Welcome to IITC channel. Today we are going to see safety culture transformation with the help of incident reporting, investigation and root cause analysis. Now question is why we need to have safety culture transformation. Correct? Guys, I hope you are from different industries. You might be knowing that there are many incidents happening in spite of loads and loads of effort by the industry. If you see the National Safety Council statistics in India, or if you see UKHSC guideline statistics in abroad, or if you see the OSHA's incident reporting and recording systems, there are many incidences are happening in India as well as global. Now question is why we are not able to control the incidences. If you see the incident reportings and the root cause analysis, you will find that almost 60% incidences are happening due to lack of human attention, human error, human behavior, mistakes. So that means there is something to improve so that we can capture this 90% root causes. When we will discuss in the detail on the various slides and on the various modules, you will come to know that why incident investigations are important. I am sure you can tell me or you know this why we do incident investigations. Just to let you know that we do not do incident investigation to blame someone, to blame our colleagues, to blame our operators, to blame our maintenance guys, or just to fulfill the legal requirement. The main and core importance of incident investigations are to find out the root causes which can be implemented to eliminate so that the reoccurrence of the incidents do not happen. Correct? So let us do a small introduction. Guys, I will request you to please put your name, your company name, your designations and job responsibility. Very short, simple. And I would like to more about you. I would like to know more about you as well as your job responsibility. Correct, guys? Thank you very much, guys, for your nice introduction. I would request you to please put your phone on silent mode. I hope you know about the emergency escape or emergency route if something goes wrong during this training to escape. I would request you to please follow the COVID guideline of your company as well as your state and country. I would not interrupt here. These are online courses, so that means you are away from me and I am away from you. You cannot see my body language, even I can't yours. So here the positive contributions, positive informations are very essential to make a proactive approach, to do a constructive discussion. I would request you to please do not do multiple discussion. If there is some concern, please raise your hands. I will come back to you with answer. So guys, we have to break at 11:45 for 30 minutes break, and then will come back and we will start another sessions. I hope you agree with me. Correct? Guys, this is about me. I will not read line by line. You may feel free to go through at your convenience, and I would request you to do so. Thank you, guys. These are exclusive services of IATC. This you can go through when you are comfortable at your convenience, when you have some time. These are key competencies of IITC. We will not read line by line. This is where we provide services to our respected customers. Guys, this program, online program, 4 hours, 2 days, This has got 5 modules. Let me take you through very quickly as a tour what we are going to cover. First module is safety management and culture. Management and modern safety management, we will see. There are safety management system and there is proactive safety management system. There is modern safety management system. We will try to differentiate what are the differences between safety management, proactive safety management, and modern safety management. Elements of safety management systems. I am very sure each of you are working in a very good companies and you have the safety management systems, and we will see the different elements of safety management systems. Examples of safety management systems. We will see the examples of the various elements of the various safety management systems so that you can get hands-on experience. With this, I don't say that you do not have the experience. Probably we will rebrush your knowledge, and I would like to hear more from you if you want to share your safety management so that everybody can be benefited. We will try to see the safety critical equipment and functions. Right now, there is one terminology SCE or SCA. SCE, safety critical equipment. SCA, safety critical action, activity or function. Moreover, I can say that there is one terminology happening in the Middle East called as HSECES, Health, Safety, Environment, Critical Equipment System. We will see. Now we will understand what does really safety culture mean and how this differs from our culture, our company culture, our corporate culture, our family culture. Component of safety culture we will see, because if you don't know the components of safety culture, probably we may do some mistakes. Example of positive safety cultures or proactive safety cultures. Good, better, best safety culture. There is nothing called as good, better, best. This is safety culture only. Types of safety culture and its importance. Important aspect of positive safety culture from where we can learn. Benefits of positive safety cultures, and there is called as high performance safety culture. We will try to see that. Now guys, this is the second module, is accident and correct approach of reporting. See, I have been in the industry for 27 years. I have learned in various phases. I started my career when the safety importance was not given so importance, and I have been in many industries where safety comes first, and when they say safety comes first, they mean it. This is not only lip service. So, right? They say that their corporate philosophy is that everything must be reported, whether this is a near miss, unsafe conditions, unsafe action, substandard conditions. Everything must be reported. The question is not here to blame anyone. Once it is reported, the proper investigation has to be done so that preventive and curative and corrective actions can be taken so that we can prevent reoccurrences of those kind of events, whether those are near misses or those are real events or those are real incidents. We will see that what do we mean by accident in general. I don't tell you that you do not know the definition of accident, but in a formal way, we will try to understand formal and informal definitions of accident or incidents, typical types of accidents, and typical critical barriers or safety barriers. We will see that. We will see that preventive barriers, we will see recovery barriers, or we can say damage control barriers. We will see barrier models for accident preventions. Swiss cheese model, Swiss cheese model. We have seen it, and again we will rebrush it. Definitely, you know this. Every accident has the cost, direct cost, as well as there are some indirect cost. We will say in the detail what is the importance of direct cost and what is the importance of indirect cost. Does your team visualize indirect cost of an accident? Now, question is, I am able to see what are the direct cost. I am a plant manager, I am an operation manager, I am a maintenance manager, I am a plant head. I can calculate, oh my goodness, there are, direct cost. Person is not able to perform, their machine has gone under breakdown, and when there is a production loss, these are the direct cost. But am I, as a leader, able to see the indirect cost of the accident? Guys, I can tell you in the single word, it is like an iceberg. Direct cost is iceberg of the ice. And 90% of ice you are not able to see which are in the water. These are indirect cost. So this is just I wanted to tell you example of iceberg. Example of direct cost of an accident. How do we or how do you report an accident? We will see some methodology. What is the use of accident reporting? We will see it. Why there is a need for accident reportings? What type of accident need to be reported? There are different kind of accidents. There are different kind of near misses, unsafe acts, and unsafe condition. What type of accidents or incident has to be reported to me every time? I hope you agree with me. Then we will discuss and debate in detail why we need to report each and every incidences, whether this is, loss of property, injury to people, or no, loss or no injury. What is the meaning of accident reporting? What is the real meaning of accident reporting? What are the four types of accidental losses? Property losses, injury, environment losses, reputation losses, and many more. What are the accidental loss of insurance? CBA, cost and benefit analysis, because this is the pioneer justification for implementing any subject. Correct? I hope you will agree with me. Correct? We will see it. Now there is one module called as accident investigations. In fact, I have a detailed module. Probably, accident investigation is a 3 to 4 days training session. I will be using the same, presentation, but we'll skip some presentations because those are not relevant for this program. But I will provide you the recordings of these sessions so that you can go at your convenience when you feel. You can also send these programs to your colleagues so that refresh. These programs are going to be live only for limited days, so you can use as much as you can. What is accident investigations? We will see. What are the types of accident investigations? What are the ways? How are we going to carry out the accident investigations? What are the steps of accident investigation? There are various steps we are going to see. Various softwares we are going to see, like shelter point, taproot method, RCA, and many more. Various incident investigations techniques, methods of investigations. What are the types of investigations? There are different types of investigations, Y-Y analysis and there are others. We are going to see on that. What is an interview during an investigation, and how do we carry out the interview of the eyewitnesses? What are the good questions to ask a victim? How to interview eyewitness and victim? How do you do an investigation interview? These are very sensitive techniques. I tell you guys, I have been trained for 5 days for doing the incident investigation as per NFPA for fire cases. I have also undergone for training for incident investigator. So I would like to share my experience with you. Module 4 is accident prevention theories. We will see that how we can prevent accidents. There are various theories are there. What is accident prevention theories and techniques? What are three types of accident preventions? And what is Heinrich domino theory? So the last model of this program is the sensitization. Because knowledge is not an issue here nowadays. Knowledge is abundance. Only attitude is an issue. And everybody has the right attitude. But we have to just sensitize them. We have to just motivate them. We have to just entertain them. We have to just energize them. We have to just enlist them. So there are some things which is a very soft skill. This cannot be this cannot be brought. This cannot be bought in the market. These are the salesperson has to practice and can do it. We will see safety leadership and types of safety leaderships. Lead by example. What do you mean by lead by example? Safety budget and approval. We will see different safety ambassadors. Safety ownership. What do you really mean by safety ownership? Various safety motivation techniques, how you and your team can be motivated, how you can motivate your team when people will become demotivated. If you have more incidences, if you have some dangerous incidences, do you think your people will be happy? If somebody has got amputated hand, do you think people nearby the area, nearby the shop will be happy? They are also scared. Probably they are working in the pressure, they will be working due to fear of loss of job, but they are not motivated. I can tell you guys, motivated team, that means enhanced productivity. If you have motivated team, that means enhanced productivity. If enhanced productivity, that means you will increase the profitability of your company. High performance safety, HPS. We will see what does it mean. Guys, we have got various programs on our websites. I will request you to please go through at your convenience. I am not going to tell you here now. There is a YouTube channel of IITC. There are many programs are there which are available free of cost. I would request you to just explore once. If you feel that it is value for money, it is good for you, do it. Guys, with this I thank you very much for patiently hearing me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.